Welcome to a quick way to track and blur moving objects. In this tutorial I will show you how you can quickly select and track a moving object to apply a blur or another effect. Use the pen tool under the effect on the panel control to make a selection to the object you want to track. Adjust the mask, feather and expansion to better fit the selection. Now you can add the keyframe on the mask pad. Make sure you have the position, scale and rotation selected. And press Track Mask Forward to start analyzing the footage. Then you go to the first keyframe you created and you do the same thing. Now tracking the mask backwards. In the end I need to find your first and last frame where you don't need the mask anymore and delete all the frames or just reduce blurriness. Now just use the feather and expansion to adjust the last details on your tracking object. And that's a quick way to track a moving object with mask and applying effect to it. And never forget to save your project. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed these kind of videos, please subscribe.